Hello and welcome to another Monkey Makes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in searches. Here we go. Okay, so let's add. Great start, I'll leave that in. What was I doing? Oh yes, right, tab. Need to add these edge creases. So basically where we want it to change the shape, so two. Start with these outer edges here. I need to rethink these colours, you know. Increase. Not a 1. Needed to follow these around also. So Shift, Alt, select them. Go. Increase on them again. 1. This increase is just an item. We also needed to keep these shapes here. Select them while it's facing this direction. Put 1 on there. Right, I've not added it to these yet, but just to demonstrate what it's doing is if we put the sub D back on, we see it's holding that shape there nicely now. Probably don't need it on this top edge here. That will also need pulled back there as well, won't it? So sub D off again. Just quickly do that. Extrude Y, just pull that back a little bit. Demonstrate it. Right now you're thinking, why on earth has that done that? Can you guess? Turn the sub D off so you can see. Like I say, these colours are awful. I'm going to rethink these colours. Can you see why it's maybe doing that? Look at this line here, maybe. Put it back on. See how it's not taking into account the creased edge? We highlight that. It creases at 0. Put a 1 on there. There you go. Instantly takes it away. I'm guessing these are going to have them at this side also. There you go. Add them too. Hit select. Crease. There we go. Snaps it away. Snaps it away. See how these colours have actually came into play this time, because we can actually see the highlighted edges. So let's quick check on this. They are, I'm going to say, well, they're not going to be a sharp edge, but turn something up just so we can see what we're doing. We need to select all of these in here. We get these also. Yeah. What colours are these? Oh, I might have to reset the colours. These are awful. Don't forget them. Oops. Is also. Oops. You see how if we do an alt and left click on here, it stops at that point there. Same with that one. Stops at that point there. Do a shift and select them. Crease on. Right, in theory, how about with there? Brace yourself. Oof, nearly there. Might just need to do these up here. I'm selecting these. This is just a test because I've got a feeling these are just too much. Actually, let's quick glance at this. Ah, it might just literally be that bit that needs to be doing here. So you see these parts here don't need bits that connect them. Wait, let's see, it was a test. Put one on there. It nearly does it. So now we just need to select these ones. Oops. Having a highlighted edge, similar colour to the edges isn't a good idea. One on there, and there we go. Something playing up there. That one's got one on, shouldn't be. I like these edges in between. Got an idea. These coming to a point like that is probably what's creating this. So guys, how about we'll try a... No, let's not try a 0.5. Either at 0. I think what I might need to do here is just fix this bit in here. Doesn't quite work. So put up 1. Turn something off. I think what we need to do is this point here, that point there. If we create that in there like that, so it follows that. Okay, so 3, 6, 3 cases. Oops. You press, we'll stop the zoom back to like the object that you work on. It doesn't work, just press A to select all, then press it. Right, so need these 3. We'll do a Shift D, pull them in again. A little bit of a scale. Select them, we'll do a bridge. 2, bridge again, or we'll just press F. Didn't take that one out either, did we? So maybe that one as well, X3. So we do 2, F. And then do F again, F. Just put that edge in there. And again, press F. 1, select the bottom one, scale X. Do that one as well. Scale X. Now you're thinking, why doesn't that connect that one there? These don't actually need to be there, to be fair, you know. What we could do is we just simply select them, JJ, play them into there. Doesn't matter that triangle is there at the moment, does it? Or we are going to be putting a circle in here and pulling that out. So Just need to make this point. Actually, we'll just do it with that once. All merge. It's on a flat surface, so you shouldn't be able to see that. When you put the recipe back on, still creating a bit of a problem here, and that one there. So basically, we just need to do the same. This one, do a 3, kill him off, x3. Do an F there. Do an extrude X. 1. Snap that to that guy there. X-ray. We do it all. Let's select all and then merge, but just select them and do it. Doesn't really matter. Back to 1. This is where all these edges that we've added all start to go crazy. We need to do this one as well to be fair. So if we highlight them 4, press F. 2, we don't need to use, sorry. Plus we don't need that one now either, so bottom one. That one's going to be the same, isn't it? I should have, like you said, well, like I said, you're probably seeing it also. Why didn't you do this in the first place? Do 2, screwed on the X. 1, drag, control snap, A, merge, E for all, M for merge, by distance. 2, highlight that whole edge, Alt, left click, select it all, and then Control X, remove it. That one looks like that'll do like that. Back to 1. I'm going to say, that just snapped it there like that. All, merge, distance. All, N. That needs a crease back on there. Well, that's been a long way round, I suppose. That is also lost one because I deleted it. There we go this time. And that edge is the only one that's not working. Why? No crease on it. Hang on, that was a bit telltale there. Why on earth is it doing that? One, all. Merge distance. Come on, what's wrong with it? I think it's going to rotate around the opposite direction. Yeah, around the opposite direction. Idea. 3, X3. Ah, there's an extra face on top. I thought that extra orange face There we go, it still looks a little, oh, well, that's why. I like that. I like that. Jitter joint. There we go. Wow, that was a long journey, mate, wasn't it? I do apologise. It's looking nice. What's going on here now? Oh, that's okay actually. Yeah, see, it's pulled in there slightly, but I reckon we could get away with if we just add. And there it is. Oh, Control R. Bring an edge in there. Oh, nice. Control S. Save. And I'll catch you in the next one again.